Okay, so in this question, we've got two triangles, one attached to the other, and they want us to work out the length of CD on this bottom triangle here. Now to do this, you usually have to work out something on the other triangle first. And you need to work out something that links the two together, yeah? So clearly we need to work out this side, if you think about it. So let's just focus on the top triangle first, right? Let's just ignore the bottom triangle. So this would be lowercase a there, wouldn't it, on the top triangle, because it's opposite angle A. Now notice here we've got angle B here, and we know the opposite side. So this looks like I can use the sine rule, yeah, because I've got that angle and I know the opposite side. Okay, and I know angle A, I just want lowercase a. So if I can work that out, I've got the whole length of BD there. So using the sine rule, little a will be divided then by sine of angle A equals to then the pair that I know. So little b, which is 7.8, divide by sine 35. So always have in mind the sine rule, which will get given to you in the test, like that, right? So last but not least then, of course, we need to take that over the other side and multiply to get a. Okay. If you do that, you will get a out. So my calculator, 7.8 over sine 35 times sine 82, and I get out 13.5, okay, centimeters. Now that will be written in there then, okay, you can write it in there. And notice now I've worked out something that links to the other triangle, and that's the whole point, right? You've got to try and work out something here that links you to the other triangle, because now if we focus on the other triangle, we can cover up the top triangle, and notice now we've got two sides and the angle included. So that means now we use the cosine rule, okay? So the cosine rule again will be given to you in the test, right? So a squared is b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a, right? That gets given to you, so there's nothing to remember. Now the a is what we want to try and work out, okay? So that means we need this to be a, yeah? This side to be a. So what I can do, I can call this a, okay? And I can change this letter and make it angle A. Okay, you're allowed to do that, that's fine. And then the other two then will be called B and C, yeah? Because we're used to them being B and C, so we'll call that B, and that one is already C, yeah? Okay, so you can do that. So angle B is there, which means side B is on this side. Angle C is here, which means side C will actually be this side, which is equal to 13.5, yeah? Okay, obviously we called it A for this triangle, but when we focus on this triangle now, we're calling it 13.5. So it's a case then of plugging in the numbers into your cosine rule, okay? So your little a is what we want, so we've got a squared there. Your b is 18.3, so we square that, and your c is 13.5, so we square that, minus 2 times 18.3 times 13.5 times cos of the angle, so the angle up here then was 69 there, okay? So you get your calculator, type all that in one go. So I type that in, and I've got 340.07. To get a then, don't forget then you've got to square root what's above there. So square root that answer, and I get, should write that out really I suppose, you get 18.4 centimeters. So that will be the length of the actual side they wanted. But the key was working out something on the first triangle to link it to the second triangle. Okay, so you've got your 13.5 there, which will help us then for that second triangle using the cosine rule, and the answer comes out.